All right, George Sports Cards here. We're doing the last box, the third box, should I say, for Walter. Team Butterfield, third time's a charm here. Let's pull that Tom Brady. Tom Brady auto one time. Robert Quinn, 2015. Len Dawson. Forte. Roethlisberger. Jeffrey. That printing plates? Printing plate, nice. 1/1. Calvin Johnson. Printing plate 1/1. Calvin Johnson. And two silvers are Jerry Rice and Emmett Smith. Rams 2015, Sayers, Tony Romo, Matt Stafford, Frank Gore, Gronkowski, and Road to Victory, entering some code on the back. Tom Brady silver, Le'Veon Bell silver. What? What's the case hit? The code thing? This thing? Road to Victory case hit? What is it? Road to Victory Challenge. If the team shown on the front of the card wins the Super Bowl on February, you win. Oh, so you gotta hold this damn card till Super Bowl? Well, we know the Bills aren't gonna win. Larry Fitz, Aaron Smith, Tom Brady. Oh, number to 25 coming up. Mike Evans, Jeremy Maclin, David, 250. Yeah, I thought it said 25. 117 of 250. Tall boy David Johnson. David Johnson. Oh, you want to see the rookie cards? Right here. So cool. Look at that. Guy with his hat. Practice jersey on. Justin Hardy. Funches and Jamal Charles. Eli Manning, Steve Smith, Marshawn Lynch, and this is red stamped. Altoon JT Smith red stamped. That is Amari Cooper, Robert Griffin, silvers. Monty Ball, 2015, Aaron Rodgers, Jeremy Hill, Matt Ryan, Jamal Charles, and Jordy Nelson, pink. 49 of 499. Nelson Aguilar, Larry Fitzgerald. Austin Hill, Brett Favre, Alfred Morris, Peyton Manning, Marshawn Lynch, Mark Ingram, and Camo Zach Ertz for the Eagles. Numbered 384 of 399. Mike Evans, Jeremy Maclin. It's going to be our patch. Demaryius Thomas, 2015. Gates, Palomalu, Tannehill, Dez Bryant, Roethlisberger, and Rashad Green patch, 2-color. Jacksonville Jags. Kurt Warner, Steve Largent, Silvers. Yeah, I like it, Sanders. I saw the previews today. The only thing that worries me is that they didn't show Ronaldo auto. They showed Messi. I just hope they have a Ronaldo auto in it. Past performers: Alex Smith, Aaron Rodgers, Emmanuel Sanders, Calvin Johnson, and number to 60, Leonard Williams. Oh, it says both? Okay. I didn't read it. I just saw the pictures. Leonard Williams is 60. That is 4 of 60. Yeah, MLS has some good stuff, man. Kaká, David Villa, Julian Edelman, Duke Johnson. If you guys want to grab some teams in Apex, it's in the store. Apex is in the store. PYT Apex. There's 2 cases in the store right now. And I think Kaká and David Villa are still there. Antonio Brown, Ryan Tannehill, Phillip Rivers, Mike Evans, Matt Stafford, and silver, Cliff Harris. Cliff Harris. Silver. Silvers are Tevin Coleman and Dan Marino. Last pack, Walter. Yeah, silver. Cliff Harris. Should be the auto, right? If we're lagging on the one. Drew Brees, Tony Romo, Andrew Luck, Alshon, Demaryius, and not bad, Bryce Petty. Bryce Petty for the Jets. AJ Green, JJ Watts on the silvers. There you go, man. Appreciate it, Walter. Gold's 101.